This is a 1936 Ford three-window coupe with a rumble seat in the back. Beautiful black finish. And under the hood we have the 221 cubic inch 85 horsepower flathead 8. Now this year they introduced an economy V8, 136 cubic inches and 60 horsepower. This has the larger engine. Notice the windshield wipers are at the top of the windshield. Nice looking wheels. And here we have a look inside. Notice the crank below the rear window, so that rear window can be raised or lowered. Nice original looking upholstery with the seat belts, and painted dash with a windshield that moves out forward via that crank. And we have that ignition switch down there at the base of the column, which I believe also locks the column when it's in the lock position. And very, very large fender skirts. Spare. And there you see the handle for the rumble seat and the pads that you use to gain entrance to the rumble seat. I'd say that can only be for youngsters. You have to be pretty nimble to get yourself into that back seat there. This is an auction car at the LakelandLinder Airport. It's a neat car. It's nice to see it restored as originally it was manufactured.